My name is Corey. This is Kayla. We're with Big Rock Overland. So when we come up to obstacles, we'll do them all one at a time. Take your time. It's all right. If there's anything that's too scary, if you guys don't want to go through, we'll cross that bridge, I guess, when we get there. But because there's not really a whole lot of turning around. I would definitely advise that we air down at least a little bit. How about that? That way it's just deep stuff, but you won't touch bottom. You're not going to drag and hit trees. It's not going to be real narrow, stuff like that. But we're going to come across some water crossings. We're going to take you guys to a small little recessed cave. And then we can take a short 1, maybe 2 mile down and back hike, and it'll take you to a big waterfall where you can swim and stuff like that. Maybe not swim today, but you guys can mark everything. We'll show you guys campsites along the way and all that kind of stuff. If you want to mark them, you can. All right, well, we're going to air down, so right now will be the time. If you want to air down, drop it down right now, and then we'll roll out here in about 10-15 minutes.
Now, when I'm parked, the water's down wide. It's a water line.
All right, go hop in the truck.
Y'all ready to go?
10-4. Roll out, let me know. Definitely turn your lights on. Was mine not on? All right, we're all out. Ten-year-old son dropped through this. It'll be his first little hoorah, so wish us luck. Good luck, Charming.
It'll be great, and you'll be on YouTube. This one, the one that the kid's driving. Yeah! Good job. How'd that feel? Good?
Yeah, you did good. I'm proud of
You did great. I think don't go far though. Go mid because you're going to drag far. Yeah. Coming up. Straighten it out.
Tried to throw mud on him headlights.
That is such a great flexi spot right there. So I guess if you buy enough ducks and stack them like this, they'll stay on your cash.
Is that the...
That's the secret. They gotta buy 20 ducks.
It's been a fun little trail so far. Helping everybody get out, you know, showing a couple of the newer people some stuff and helping them, you know, get through some obstacles that maybe they wouldn't have gone through otherwise and things like that. So I'm having a blast and it's been fun. So it's a little bit for everybody, I think. A little intense spots and also kind of like just, you know, also just trail riding, right?
Yeah, it's been fun. We've had a few kids driving. Oh look, Gabe figured out he's on camera. Okay.
Mudhole Dave got a really hard problem. Deep tunnels again.
We bought our first Jeep ever, which was this Jeep right here, back in June. And then we didn't buy it with the intent of overlanding, so it took us a couple weeks. By the end of June, we had already been on YouTube and seen all the things to see about overlanding, and we're sold on it, and we've been doing it ever since. Getting a little dirty. Hi, puppy. Hi, Joey. Puppies. You remember me? Hi.
When these guys do.
Okay.
I'll be following them.
Kids are running around ducking everybody, I guess.
I gotta find out how to get back to Hudson.
Honestly,
Is this Lake Sylvia here?
this is Lake Winona.
Lake Winona.
Yeah.
Hey, Kevin. How do I get back to Hot Springs from here?
Man, I just put it in my Garmin.
Come on, man.
Man, I got one of those Garmin treads. I just type where I'm going and hit go.
Yeah.
I don't have
Why not?
any-
You got no signal.
Hell no. Well, it
See, man,
says-
I got
it says I do
SOS
now.
everything, man. Then that's why I got it, because I would come on rides like this and I'd get out in the trails and I'd be like, my phone don't work. I don't know how to get. I don't know which way to go. But we're gonna head back towards Highway 10. You can follow us from there.
Okay.
That's the way we're gonna.
Places
Yeah, we do.
instead of sitting at home staring at our phones or our computers.
Hey, that's that mud hole. We almost got stuck in that mud hole. You guys is dirty. We make them. Find one you like. Hurry. Okay, grab it. Put it in the handle. Right here, Gabe. Gabe. Right here.
As we come to the end of our adventure, we invite you to join us on future journeys. Overlanding is more than just reaching a destination, it's about embracing the journey itself. If you've enjoyed exploring with us, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support keeps our adventures alive and inspires us to keep sharing. Remember, the world is full of wonder waiting to be discovered. So get out there, explore, and make memories that last a lifetime. Until next time, happy trails. My name's Corey. Thanks for watching.